How to accelerate the growth of trees and plants. Effective steps for amazing results. Obtaining a healthy seedling and planting it properly in the ground are among the most important factors that contribute to rapid plant growth. If you're aiming for impressive results in growing trees and plants, following these steps will help you achieve that. Step 1. Preparing the hole. Digging the hole. Dig a hole in the ground with dimensions of 70 centimeters in width, length, and depth. This ideal size will provide the plant with sufficient space for the roots to grow properly. Step 2. Preparing the soil. Extracting the soil. After digging the hole, remove half of the soil and leave the other half inside the hole. Adding fertilizer. Add 3 kilograms of organic fertilizer, animal compost, to the soil in the hole. This will provide the plant with essential nutrients. Step 3. Adding nutrients. Compound fertilizers. Add 200 grams of compound fertilizer NPK with a ratio of May 18:18. This fertilizer contains nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are essential elements for plant growth. Sulfur and iron. Add 50 grams of sulfur and 50 grams of iron. These elements help improve soil health and increase nutrient absorption. Step 4. Pest prevention. Pesticides. Add insecticide and fungicide to the mixture in the hole to protect the seedling from pests and diseases. Step 5. Watering and preparing for planting. Mixing the ingredients. Thoroughly mix all the ingredients with the remaining soil. Watering. Then, fill the hole completely with water and leave it for 15 days to allow the soil to settle and absorb the nutrients. Final step. Planting the seedling. Planting the seedling. After 15 days, you can plant the seedling in the prepared hole. Make sure to cover the roots well with soil and water regularly to ensure the seedling's stability and rapid growth. By following these steps, you can significantly accelerate the growth of plants and trees and achieve excellent agricultural results.